In Daddy's head?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Daddy's a present, Kaden.
What is it? Let's see. Let's open the box up. Oh, they're shirts.
Daddy, you love your shirts.
I love these shirts. Can you help Melanie pick them out? These are perfect. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Daddy.
That's your present for Daddy.
Oh, it's what?
Daddy has one more present to open.
One more present.
Right here.
That's Mommy's present.
That's Mommy's present. Okay, that's perfect.
Open this one.
Very nice.
I'm going to help you.
You helping? Okay.
I'm going to put this up.
You ready?
How do you put up?
There you go. You got it? Someone got the one side? You got this right here? Here you go, Karen. Oh, ready? Oh, it's a Santa box.
Open it.
Open it. Open it. It's more paper inside. Oh! Oh! It's a new wedding ring.
Yes, it is.
That's nice.
Daddy, have a pony.
Daddy's been wanting one.
Daddy, you have a
How's it on my ring size? Oh, that's
Does it?
it.
Oh, good. Because the last one, the last ring.
Which one?
This is Daddy's third wedding ring. Let's see if this one will stick around for a while.
I have a bow in my head.
You know, the last one I got was a size 10 because I thought shoe size, ring size was the
Oh,
same,
right.
but it was too big for you. So that's a 9.5.
Oh, very good. Oh, it's not great this time, is it?
No, I didn't do anything special with
Thank you,
it.
Mommy. Okay, let's open Mom's present now. Okay, let me take the
Now, Mom,
camera.
I'm going to help you open your present.